ohmathgad.
Oh my god, guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to write an algebraic expression to represent an increment. So let's begin. So guys, whenever we're going to write down an algebraic expression in order to represent an amount that is increasing, we're going to be taking into account the following three steps. The first one is that we're going to read the statement carefully, and that way we're going to identify whether or not we are facing a problem with an increase or an amount that decreases, right? A decrement or an increment, right? Now we have to see how often this amount increases in this case, and if there is an initial or total amount or value, right, that is going to change over time, right, or with use, really depends on the situation or the problem. So let's take a look at today's example. Andrea just quit her job because she's retiring early. Good for Andrea. She began putting plaques on a box that by itself weighs 0.2 kilograms. Which expression can be used to determine the total weight of the box after putting P amount of plaques in it? Consider that each plaque weighs around 0.9 kilograms. Okay, so in this case, Andrea has a box, right? And the box itself weighs 0.2 kilograms, right? That is going to work as our initial amount. Now, each time she puts a plaque in it, she's going to add 0.9 kilograms, right? So after she puts 2, it's going to be 0.9 plus 0.9. And then when she puts the third one, it's going to be 0.9 plus 0.9 plus 0.9, and so on. So in this case, we're going to identify our initial amount, which is going to be the box being empty, weighs 0.2 kilograms. Then we're going to see the amount it increases, right? So in this case, it increases 0.9 kilograms per plaque, so each plaque, right? And then how often? With each plaque, right? So because we are adding plaques into the box, we're going to add the amount of plaques, right, by its weight. So after the first one, we're going to add 0.9 times one plaque. After the second plaque, we're going to multiply that amount by 2. And after a P amount of plaques, we are going to express it as 0.2, which is the initial amount, plus 0.9 by the amount of plaques, which is going to be P. And that is how we express an equation or algebraic expression that represents the amount or the weight of the total box, counting the amount of plaques in it. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!